Yesterday, Government of India said in Parliament that there is no future plan to limit the online gaming 3 hours in a week. And the question was asked by one MP in the Parliament. Hello and Jai Hind everyone. Today my lecture topic is online gaming. Friends, online gaming today become a staple in our online driven culture, and it is a kind of video game that is run from the internet in any mobile phone or any desktop. If I talk about the industry of online gaming globally, then there is around 3.24 billion online gamers, and it is a huge number. And the industry of the global online gaming is more than 200 billion US dollar. And after the pandemic time, we have seen the uh, unimaginable growth in online gaming industry. Friends, if I talk about the advantages of online gaming, then first today can be the career in online games. Today we can see many YouTubers are streaming the online gamings in India and promoting online gamings. And today it can be a good career for a teenager, for any youngster who want to go in that field. Second, it improved the vision of any online gamers. According to a study, online gamers have 15% more vision than non-gamers. And third, the online gamers have also a good power of judgment, good recognition power, as well as they have good they are good strategy maker because it all requires in online gaming. Fourth, online games also teach to stay patient, and it also boost our nature to make more friends virtually. Friends, it has disadvantage too. First disadvantage is the weakening the eyesights, because online gamings only run through the mobile phone or desktop. It hampers our fingers as well as the eyesights. Second, online gamings are made to be addictive, and it is coding like this. So many gamers got addiction of this, and they hamper their studies, career, as well as future. Friends, some other disadvantage like privacy issues, online bullying, it also happen. And as well as we cannot we can also see the online gambling that today is most popular amongst the youth. Friends, in my conclusion, I want to say online gaming is not harmful for anyone if it is not become addiction amongst them. So we should play online gaming because it also reduce the anxiety, depression, and it makes us fun. And if anyone want to make their career on in online gaming, then they can make today, because online provide everything for him to learn the all the techniques from any big online gamers through the online. And it gives wonderful opportunity in the online gaming field. Thank you.